This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gloria Waters. Situated within the Meadows, Hampstead Heath enjoys the benefits of a master-planned community and maintenance-free living. The community pool is just a short walk from your villa. Key features of the villa include, in-villa, premium lake view and golf course view, courtyard entry, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, eat-in kitchen, combination living/dining room, Florida room, inside utility and 1-car garage. Improvements: repiped 2023, new water heater and HVAC installed 2021. The Meadows Community Association is where residents enjoy a social life full of a variety of activities for all ages to have fun and meet new friends. Meadows Golf and Country is optional. Residents also enjoy additional benefits, including access to the Country Club's Junior Olympic Pool, pay-to-play golf courses, dining options, and the fitness center. The MCA has partnered with the Sarasota Audubon Society to continue to broaden knowledge and love for birds through bird walks and presentations. Conveniently situated minutes from UTC Mall and 20 minutes from Street Armands, this villa offers proximity to various dining options, Benderson Park, hosting the World Rowing Championships, and the stunning beaches of Anna Maria Island, Longboat Key, Lido Key, and Siesta Key. Your new lifestyle begins here. Call now to schedule your appointment. For more information, review the details below or contact Gloria Waters at 941-356-9386.